Now I want to explain you one more example. Basically, in the given figure is mentioned PQR is a triangle, side QR is extended to a point S, RT bisects exterior angle PRS and QT bisects angle PQR. These two bisectors are meeting at a point T. Prove that this angle T is half of this angle P. What is given in triangle PQR? QT bisects angle Q and this RT bisects exterior angle PRS. What we need to show that this angle T is half of angle P. Now I want to tell you the proof, that is angle PRS, exterior angle PRS, or I can say it is the sum of angle 1 and angle 2, or I can say it is twice of angle 1 or twice of angle 2. Reason being 1 and 2 are equal as RT bisects angle PRS. So angle PRS or angle 1 plus angle 2 or twice of 1 or twice of 2. I can say all these results are equal to what? Exterior angle of any triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interiors. That is angle P plus angle Q. Here you have to mention that exterior angle property. Now the question is, I can say that twice of angle 1. Here if I pick from here, twice of angle 1 is equals to angle P plus angle Q. That is what? Angle P can be written as twice of 3. Twice of 3 plus angle what? That is P. I am saying here P is this and Q is 3 plus 4. Angle Q is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. As 3 is equal to 4, so you can say angle Q is twice of 3 or twice of 4. So with the help of this calculation, I can say here Q is replaced by twice of 3 and this is angle P as it is. So PRS is equals to 1 plus 2 is equal to twice of 1 because 1 and 2 are equal, twice of 2 because 1 and 2 are equal is equal to P plus Q because of the exterior angle property. P remain as it is, Q is supplied by twice of angle 3 as per this discussion. So I can say angle 1 is equals to half of twice of angle 3 plus angle P. So angle 1 become half of twice of 3 means angle 3 and half of P, that is half of angle P, relation number 1. Now if I tell you about angle 1 only in triangle QTR. Now in triangle QTR, angle 1 exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interiors, that is angle T plus angle 3. Reason here, what? Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Angle 1 is the exterior angle for triangle P, for triangle QTR. RS is extended, so angle 1 is the exterior angle for triangle QTR. 1 is the sum of two opposite interiors. These are T and 3. So this become angle T plus angle 3. Now from equation 1 and equation 2, I can say from 1 and 2. Left hand side of 1 is angle 1, left hand side of equation 2 is angle 1. So these two are equal. So I can equate their right hand side. What I will say, that angle T plus angle 3, this is the right hand side, which is the angle 1 is equals to angle 3 plus half of angle P, which is the right hand side of equation 1. As left hand sides of both equations are equal, so their right hand sides needs to be equal, which I have equated, and angle 3 and angle 3 cancelled. So with the help of that, I find angle T is equals to half of angle peak, which is our required result which we need to show. So whatever here apply here, that is exterior angle property and naming of angles and equating the sides.